Hello everyone. Welcome to Peanut Health Island. Nice to meet you all. Today we are going to tell a little story. The Tropical Rainforest Adventure of the Little Mole and the Elephant. If this is your first time here, welcome to follow our video account. Let's get started. Little Mole Xiaotu always dreams of exploring the tropical rainforest. But she doesn't know how to get there. Every time she sees the elephant going to the tropical rainforest, Little Mole Xiaotu tells herself that she should go too. As she grows older, Little Mole Xiaotu decides to go on an adventure to the tropical rainforest with the elephant. Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant start their tropical rainforest journey. Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant continue their adventure in the tropical rainforest. They discover a mysterious cave. Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant bravely enter the cave. They find hidden treasures. Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant encounter some difficulties in the rainforest. They work together to overcome these challenges. Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant help other animals in the rainforest. Everyone is grateful to them. Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant complete their adventure in the rainforest. They prepare to go home. Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant rest by the waterfall. Enjoying the beauty of nature, they have completed their adventure in the tropical rainforest. Ready to go home. After returning home, Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant establish a rainforest protection organization. Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant share their adventure stories with other animals. Everyone admires them. Little Mole Xiaotu and the elephant continue their environmental work, working hard to protect the tropical rainforest. That's the end of today's story. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment on what topic you'd like to hear next. If you like it, feel free to share it with those you like. Also, welcome to follow the Peanut Health Island subscription account to learn more little stories. See you tomorrow.